Do you want to earn more and more? Are you looking for business ideas where you can earn money from home? If yes, then stop because you are on the right channel. Hi, I'm Meenakshi Singh, content creator for BloggersPassion YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about few side hustles. What is a side hustle? A side hustle is a way to earn money and make some extra bucks outside of your 9 to 5 job. Side hustle adds on to your financial stability and makes a difference in your wallet. So are you ready to explore certain side hustles options? Number 1, start your own blog. If you are stuck as how to start blogging, then here I am guiding you step by step. Number 1, select the topic of your interest. For example, you can choose from fashion to food to hacks to learning to teaching and to parenting. Number 2, then the next step is choosing a blogging platform. Number 3, think of a descriptive and catchy blog name. Number 4, start showing your writing skills. Share your thoughts with the world, generate traffic and monetize your blog. Let's talk about the earning potential through blogs. First of all, your income generating ability depends on your skills, talent, experience and your viewers. Well, it feels glad to share with you all that our blog generates over $13,000 every month. You can find details about this on the description below. You can also check out our link where you will get step-by-step guide if you want to know how to start a blog from scratch. Number 2, start a YouTube channel. First of all, I would say subscribe to our channel as we already have a YouTube channel and I promise this will be helpful to you if you want to be a YouTuber. Let me tell you, YouTube is the second largest search engine and third most visited website all over the world. Approximately 1 billion people visit YouTube every single month universally. Whether you are into gaming, tech gadgets, cooking, fashion, teaching, there's always an audience for your content. Creating a YouTube channel is the most easy thing. If you have a Google account, you can create your own YouTube channel in seconds. Now let's talk about the earning potential as a YouTuber. It depends on several factors. Number 1, your videos viewership. Number 2, your audience statistics. Number 3, your videos genre. Number 4, monetization approaches you use. Google AdSense, collaboration, sponsorship, selling your own products, etc. Number 3, begin dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products from the supplier without holding any inventory. So let me tell you what exactly happens in dropshipping. The moment you receive an order from a customer, you act as a middleman where you just need to connect with the supplier. Now the supplier directly delivers the product to the customer and you earn a commission for every product you sell. Simple, right? The best part here is you never have to get anxious about inventory, stocking or delivering products. In fact, it is one of the most convenient ways to start your e-commerce business. Number 4, virtual assistant. Let's thanks to the rapid growth in online businesses. Why? Because of this growth, virtual assistants are one of the most in-demand profession nowadays. You don't need any advanced degree or much experience to be a virtual assistant. Well, what will be the work? Number 1, grammatical errors and their rectifications. Number 2, blog handling, from uploading to removing spam comments and toxic backlinks. Number 3, publishing videos to YouTube. Number 4, handling social media sites and so on. If I tell you the pros of becoming a virtual assistant, here is the list. Number 1, freedom to work from anywhere. Number 2, your earning depends on the kind of work you perform and with experience there is a limitless potential to earn. Number 3, you gain knowledge while doing tasks, learn from your clients which eventually help you in setting up your own business in future. So this was all in today's session. Please let me know in the comments below on what topic you want us to make next video. Also, do remember to go through the links that we have mentioned in the description below.